ক্লিক করুন অ্যাপের বেল আইকনে আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবিপি আনন্দ। সব সময় থাকুন খবরে।
সরাসরি চলে যাব তৃণমূলের সাংবাদিক বৈঠক।
Migrant labor. Our next question, which Mr. Amit Shah didn't answer because there was so much of rhetoric. You gave your MPs and everybody else 2 days notice to take the planes back to their constituencies. How much time did you give the migrant workers to book their train tickets? 4 hours. We have a former railway minister here with me today, my colleague Dinesh Bhai. And Dr. Mitra is also here. So we want to ask the central government, who runs the Indian Railways? You abandoned migrant workers for 50 days. We had suggested, practical suggestion, that if you ran those trains, even with social distancing, you could have taken 30 million in 5 days. Who robbed the migrant workers of their dignity? Who packed migrant workers in trains like cattle without adequate food? Mr. Amit Shah didn't tell us not a word about the 80 precious lives we lost because of zero planning by Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah. So virtual is virtual, but this is the harsh reality. The reality is also Mr. Amit Shah in his virtual press conference or his virtual interaction with the BJP workers forgot to tell everybody which state announced free rations for 6 months per state mid-March, so no one went hungry. Which chief minister announced a 10 lakh insurance for frontline workers fighting COVID? No answers from the virtual world. Some more reality. Mr. Amit Shah said, Hisab do. Yes, Hisab do ji. What are you doing to create jobs? What are you doing when India's unemployment rate is 23.5%? And my state, Bengal, had a low of 17.4%. Finance Minister of Bengal and my colleague from Trinamool will fill you in more with numbers when I finish these opening remarks. For Cyclone Amphan, the state government gave 6,250 crores already given. Done. You have promised money. The money is 1,02,000 crores is the 1.02 lakh crores is the total relief package which is needed for the destruction and the devastation. We've received 1,000 crores. Correct. We acknowledge that. We have received 1,000 crores. You minus from 1,02,000, you're left with 1.01. Mr. Amit Shah forgot to mention that the Mamata Banerjee government had given 20,000 each to 5 lakh families who had their homes destroyed. We've said this before, let us say it again. 53,000 crores. Why didn't Mr. Amit Shah tell us? Were we giving some wrong breakup? Was the Trinamool Congress or the Finance Minister of Bengal in his press conferences, or we when we did ours, were we juggling? About 3,000 crores. Yes, you have cleared the GST now for the last year, December, January, February. So 53,000 crores is a figure. We're saying this publicly, challenge these figures. And what were you doing creating jobs? Politics you were doing, but what were you doing creating jobs, Mr. Amit Shah? Unemployment rate, I told you, 23.5 national, Bengal 17.4. RBI has said the Indian economy is expected to contract for the first time in 41 years. We had made so many suggestions. The chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress had suggested you put 10,000 rupees into the bank account of unorganized sector workers or migrant workers also. Also, you could take the money from the MP-led funds and generate 8,000, 10,000 crores. We're not asking you about PM Cares because that is your PM private limited company. I'm going to hand you over to Dr. Mitra now, who's going to go into the specifics. But I would like to just make a fact check because actually after these speeches, we have a fact check, not a actual machine, but a fact check internal device, you can call it. But I think after today, that device also won't work. The device will not work because there was so much bunkum in the facts. Ayushman Bharat, 2 points, only 2 more. Ayushman Bharat changed 50 crore lives, 5 lakh insurance. Bengal didn't get the benefit. That was his claim in his virtual speech. What scares us even more is not only the BJP party important former president, he's also the Home Minister of India. So the credibility is a big issue. Now the fact, Ayushman Bharat started in 2018. Imitation is the best form of flattery. Mamata Banerjee started Swasthya Shati in 2016. It was 2 years ago, almost. The insurance empowers the woman, because the woman of the household, along with her parents and the spouse's parents, both are entitled. Who bears the cost? The state bears the cost. In the other scheme, it's the center and the state which share the cost. Whereas in Swasthya Shati, the entire scheme is supported by the state government. Digital cards are provided. It's fully cashless. It's paperless. Center had a target of 1.12 crore families. Swasthya Shati has already enrolled 1.5 crore families as of November 2019. All treatment in government hospitals in Bengal is free. And there's a 5 lakh insurance over that if you want to go to a private hospital. Mr. Amit Shah, you can say this, maybe I can understand some small time BJP worker at a block level is making these statements at a street side rally. As also the Home Minister of the country on national, on your broadcast. You're saying all this on your broadcast. We could have done this press conference at 2 p.m. with Dr. Amit Mitra and Dinesh Bhai Trivedi and I. We could have done it at 2 p.m. because it was so easy to do, to counter these claims. Kisan Samman Nidhi, 9.5 crore farmers got 6,000. He said, Bengal, if Bengal gives it today, day after tomorrow, he will give us the money. What are the facts of the case? No rhetoric, only facts. As of February 2020, 10 months into the financial year, over 5 crore farmers were yet to receive full dues under Kisan Samman. Challenge this. Under Kisan Samman, 80% of the cost, 80% of the cost for every 100 rupees, 80 rupees is borne by the state government. Bengal started Krishak Bandhu, where farmers get 5,000 rupees an acre. Who bears the cost? The state government bears the cost. 2 lakh per family in case of a death of a farmer. Listen, this is not some Trinamool only press conference where we are just doing fairy tales. These are hard numbers. We don't need to do any politics. We just need to present the facts. Bangla Bima crop insurance scheme is a free of cost for the farmers. Who pays the premium? We've said this in Parliament also. The farmer does not pay the premium. Bengal used to contribute, he said, last one, claim in a virtual rally and then the reality. Bengal used to contribute a huge portion to India's GDP. Now it lags behind. Our finance minister is there. He'll give you more details. But I'm only telling you that net domestic product growth was 12.88% in 17-18, which is the highest after Goa. That's Bengal. Top 6 states, Bengal, in terms of contribution to NDP. These are the realities. Then he told us about bank accounts. He told us about the Jan Dhan Yojana. He have done a calculation. If he does the maths, it works out to 1 rupee 70 paisa per person. He told us all about Kashmir and 370. I don't want to go in there because if I start going in there and I just throw these basic numbers which everybody knows, hundreds of times mentioned in Parliament, in the media, everywhere. Look at those numbers. In 2013, that number was 170. Now the number is 614. What numbers am I talking about? terror-related incidents. These are just some of the numbers. Sorry, I took 4 minutes more than I was supposed to take, but I thought this was very important to get out. And I managed to get this message out in English. And I'm really happy that today I'm joined by two of my senior colleagues, Dr. Amit Mitra and Dinesh Bhai Trivedi. So we will give them at least some time. First, Dr. Mitra বাংলায় বলবেন, একটু ইংরেজিতে বলবেন, বাট একটু বাংলায় আরো বেশি বলবেন, কারণ এখানে আমি দেখছি যে আমাদের সাংবাদিক বন্ধুরা যারা বাংলা চ্যানেল বা বাংলা খবরের কাগজ থেকে আছে তারা আপনার থেকে বাংলায় শুনতে চায়। ডক্টর মিত্রা বলুন।